Yanni here with Marine Connection, and today we've been invited to experience something very special, and that is Blackfin's brand new 332 center console. The boat that debuted at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show the other week, and we're looking forward to actually putting it out through the paces. Now this boat is 33 feet 2 inches in length, has a 10-foot 6 beam, and it hits the scales at 10,500 pounds. This particular example is sitting here with a pair of Mercury Racing 400s, but it is available with outboards from Yamaha and Mercury. So let's see what she does out on the water, and let's go have some fun. Now at the bow of this 332, we have the bow backrest similar to what we have in the 272 Blackfin, and these are a solid piece. They have good weight to them. Check out that stainless steel hardware, and they stow away very conveniently out of the way, so they don't take up any room, they don't protrude out. In front of that JL audio system, we even have 2 subwoofers up here at the bow. Great sounding setup, USB inputs, and 12-volt accessory conveniently located on each side, along with some cup holders. Our bow cushions and the cushions on this boat are the two-tone textured, and we have some nice integrated Blackfin logos. Our compartments are well designed and very elegant, meaning that you don't need to remove the cushion to open them and fully extend them in the upward position. Spacious storage. You have a mounting base for a bow table, and underneath the bow here we do have a very large in-floor storage box, and we actually have 2 Coast Guard kits in there right now, so plenty of space. And nice latches that Blackfin uses on these boats. All the way up forward we have stainless steel anchor setup, freshwater access, and plenty of room in there. You notice that the lids are just very well designed, heavy duty on this Blackfin. It's exactly what you'd expect. Now we do have our little slots for the bow sunshade. So on here you have 4 legs that set up their carbon fiber poles, and then we do have the sunshade that simply sets up in place and gives you a lot of coverage on this 332, and it's a very nice option to have on here. Just makes boating in the sun like we are out here today just so much more enjoyable. Then in front of the console we do have this very wide and comfortable lounge seat, dual armrests on each side, along with a center one with integrated cup holders. And of course, plenty of storage in the coffin box. We got integrated holders for 2 buckets, a slot for your hose reels, and then this one has the optional dive tank holders that will stow 5 dive tanks there. And then on each side of the gunnel we do have lockable rod storage and a long running coaming bolster that goes all the way to the back of the ship here. 3-piece windshield on here, so it wraps around 3-sided. That is a glass setup, very elegant, power opening vent, little storage here in the hard top, LED lights, clips for your bow sunshade again, and this hard top is it's massive. It provides plenty of shade on this boat, and it's a very elegant setup that really looks the part to fit this 332 Blackfin. On the Side of the console, we do have once again the pantograph opening door as we see on the 272 Blackfin, and that's a very elegant setup and still leaves plenty of space to walk through on the side there. Now it's nice to step down into this head, and what you'll notice is I'm 5'11" and I've got plenty of headroom here. So we have a freshwater sink, pull-out shower, our battery switches, breakers, ignition keys in here. We have stowage for the bow table, marine toilet, and then nice elegant setup of a rod rack that is removable. Lets you stow them in here and lock them away. We also have stowage for the bow sunshade that conveniently stores away. And once again, just a very sharp and solid setup for the console door with that pantograph swing setup. So helm, we have probably the ultimate helm here. This looks like something you expect from maybe a Navy ship or even something in the Air Force, but a very elegant setup with this contrasting forward console in gray. And then we have our dual Raymarine units on here. We have our accessory switches on the sides. We have the Mercury vessel view in the center. This particular boat is powered with twin Mercury Racing 400s. Yamaha power is also available, including the new 425s. Digital throttles for your Mercury, joystick, some cup holders. You'll notice this powder-coated black hardtop frame just looks elegant and has a very solid build quality to it, including these grips here. You do have storage in the center of the hardtop. Store your life jackets, etc. up there. Electronics box, the new Gemlux Outriggers. Those are very elegant. Some more JL Audio speakers. And then what's unique is on the back of this hardtop, we do have a opening hatch that allows easy access along with a step up there. There are reinforcements built into the hardtop, so you could add a second station or a crow's nest, depending on what suits you. I forgot to mention the Llebroc seats here are power sliding, so you do have adjustability with them, including the swing up armrest and a center one, and then 3 flip up bolsters. On this helm, we also have a step up, so that provides an extra few inches of height and visibility. Very well thought out on there. You'll find your tackle trays on the side of the leaning post there, and then you have extremely easy access to your batteries on each side as they slide out. Then moving back, on the back of this leaning post, we do have our prep station. So you have 2 sinks, both freshwater and raw water, with a lengthy hose. And in the center, we do have a Livewell with, again, clear see-through side. Drawers and slide-out coolers with a mat on top. So it makes a great seat if you need some additional rear-facing seating on the boat, but it also doubles as a step to get up to your hardtop. Easy access. Then on each side, we do have large in-floor fish boxes. Integrated dive door with a wide opening and an easy latch system. Raw water and fresh water in the corner of the gunnels there. Tie down cleats. Corner live well with a see-through side. And then in the center of the rear of the boat, we do have access down into the bilge. You'll notice every compartment on this boat is finished. That's simply because of the 3-piece construction process for these Blackfins. But on this particular boat, we do have an integrated sea chest, strainers, oversized sea cocks, and just a very well thought out layout. Ahead of that, we do have Blackfin's unique rear bench seat mechanism that provides you with a very high backrest and a very deep and comfortable bottom cushion. And finally, a very large integrated swim platform. That's something that stands out on these Blackfins, and it's something that family and friends will enjoy when taking the boat out. Just plenty of space on there and very usable. So we had a great time out on the water with this new 332 from Blackfin. It's a phenomenal boat that we think is going to do very well with customers looking for a boat of this size. Offshore with the Mercury 400s, we were comfortably doing about 48 to 50, and then inshore running 55 with this setup. Now the boat is also available with Yamaha's new 425 XTO offshore outboards, as well as other outboards from Mercury and Yamaha. Again, love the styling on this boat, love all the attention to detail and the functionality of the little details. Some very well thought out mechanisms, especially when it comes to changing out the batteries or the integrated step, the sliding power seats, etc. Spacious, well laid out, and again, we think it's going to be a hit. Can't wait to get these in stock from Blackfin. And if you'd like to see trial one, which I encourage you to do, please contact our sales team or visit marineconnection.com to view our full inventory. For Marine Connection, I'm Yanni. Remember, life's better on your boat. Happy boating.